Most people download fitness apps hoping for motivation. But here's the surprising truth. The wrong app can make workouts more confusing, not easier. Today, we're giving you an honest review of GymStreak so you can decide if it truly helps you stay consistent. GymStreak is a workout planning and tracking app that uses artificial intelligence to create training programs. You enter your goals, experience level, and available equipment, and the app generates a workout plan for you. The biggest advantage is personalization. Instead of generic routines, GymStreak adjusts exercises, reps, and weight based on your progress. After each session, you log your performance, and the app updates your next workout automatically. This keeps training challenging without overdoing it. Another strong feature is the exercise library. It includes videos and descriptions for each movement, which is great for beginners. The app also tracks rest time, workout history, and muscle groups. However, there are downsides. Some advanced features require a paid subscription. Also, beginners may feel overwhelmed by the data at first. So who is GymStreak best for? It's ideal for gym goers who want structure, adaptive training. It may not be necessary for casual users who only work out occasionally. You won't believe what happens next when you stay consistent. Your strength improves, your confidence grows, and workouts become a habit. If this honest review helped you choose the right fitness tool, make sure to subscribe for more health, tech, and lifestyle reviews.